We're going to take a look at assignments today, and we're going to look and see what assignment looks like if somebody has submitted something or if it was scored outside of Schoology. The example today is around second grade high frequency words. If we go into the learner folder and then the weight folder, you'll see that there's an assignment, high frequency words, grade 2. You'll see this pencil and paper icon. That lets you know that that is an assignment, and it is attached to one standard. When that assignment is clicked on, you're going to notice right away that Frances Mousson has submitted to this assignment. And when I click on her name, you'll see that there are 3 revisions. This is the most recent revision she did. Here the teacher marked the words that she got correct per minute and gave her the score, the out of 100. I could go back in time and I can see how she did on revision 2. And this was done in October, and here she had 93 words correct in a minute. As the teacher, you can leave notes that you can show to families. Let me put out here. You're also going to notice that this says 1 out of 2 received. If I click the drop-down menu and see who has not submitted it, you're going to see Mandy Wolf's name. Now, this is an example, Mandy's, of one that was not done, nothing was added to Schoology. So if I click on edited grades, you can see here that the teacher just added the number of words that she read correctly, and then left a note that she could show to the student, which means also sharing to families. Now you can see those things within this assignment. You can also see it in the gradebook. So if I click gradebook, okay, and you're going to see that there are a good amount of assignments. The nice thing is that you can sort them by topic area, or you can sort them by when they were created or due. Here's our high frequency words. I noticed that Frances had 95 words correct. I noticed that there's this little icon, which means that there was something that was submitted. And the speech bubble that's blue indicates that there is a comment for this child. That's how you can view an assignment within the gradebook. So you see that an assignment can be something that is added to Schoology, or it can be something that's done outside of Schoology